Hey everybody, it's Natalie Barnes here from Beyond the Reef Patterns. Today I'm coming to you as a Janome maker. I just ran into the shop site here. I could not help it. I wanted to share with you this great little red, cute as a button, cute as a bug machine called the TM30. It's called TravelMate, of course, because it only weighs 11 pounds and it will be a great travel machine for you. And 30 because it comes with 30 different stitches, one of which is a buttonhole stitch. So rather than wrestling with the box, of course, you know I'm going to tell you to keep your box and keep your packaging, so if you ever have to ship this, it'll be safe, same way that it came to you in this safe box. But instead of wrestling with the box, I thought I would do a different type of unboxing, which is ta-da, magic unboxing. Please meet the TravelMate 30, cute as a little bug. I think this is so adorable. It's got its 30 different stitches right here, and you can toggle up and down right in the front here, so you have good reference. But I will say it's always important to keep your instruction book handy. So put this in a sleeve and put it in your notebook with your other machine manuals, or keep it someplace safe so that you have the ability to reference it. This also came with a bag full of goodies, and it came with two different spindles, a horizontal spindle and a vertical spindle. There were some bobbins in here, a couple of different feet. There is a satin stitch foot in here and your zipper foot in here, some bobbins, and of course, what machine would not be complete without a seam ripper? So thank you, Janome, for the seam ripper. There are other goodies in here too, so take a look. This also came with a 1/4-inch foot, which I'm just thrilled about. So 1/4-inch feet, a couple of specialty feet in here. There is also a foot pedal as well as the cord. But if you don't want to use the foot pedal, the great thing about Janome, and you'll find other tutorials about how to do this, is there's a start-stop button right here. And so you can use that start button instead of your foot pedal if you choose. All you have to do is make sure that your foot pedal is unplugged. Also in here is your reverse, your tack stitch, and also your needle up and down. And then again, these toggles for all the different stitches that you're able to do with this cute little machine. You might notice this is pretty easy for me to lift, not because I've been out on the beach running and working out with the dog, but because it's only 11 pounds. I think I said that already, but I just wanted to let you know. The other nice thing about this is it's really an affordable machine. So for that beginning sewist or that beginning maker, it's really going to be a cute machine for them as well. I think it's going to be easy to pack. I know based on the width of this, I mean, you know, it's gonna fit in my overhead compartment bag. And we're gonna put some fat quarters in here, some background fabric here, maybe some clothes, and then the rest fabric. And that should do it for about a carry-on bag, right? It'll also be really easy. I'm gonna see if it's gonna fit in my backpack to put in the back of a car if you're doing a car trip or a road trip with girlfriends. So here is my question for you. What would you name this cute as a bug little Janome machine? That's what I want to know. I've never ever named a machine, but I think this one just might need a name. Thanks so much for stopping by for the unboxing. Thanks to Janome America for bringing this great little machine here for me to share with you. And happy travels and happy sewing from my home to yours. Have a great day.